How to add button in Webflow. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add button in Webflow. Before I move further, I must inform you that for you to add button on Webflow, the first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account, just like I have done here, and then click on the site that you want to add a button to. So once you click on the site, you see the option of upload designer. Make sure you select it, and then once you selected it, you'll be taken to the page where the designer would load and you'll be brought to the Webflow designers page. Now on this page, the next thing for you to do is to move over to the left side of the screen where you see some options. Click on the plus element icon. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed, okay? And then once the box is displayed, you will see the option button under the basic tab. All right, just press on it and then drag it to the page this way. Once you drag it to the page, the button will be on the page automatically. Then the next thing for you to do is to input the URL, that is the link that you want to be here. If you want it to be a page, click on it and then choose the page where you want the button to be found. If it's the home page, any page, just choose the page, and then this is for page. All right, if it's for the page section, choose a page section. If it's for email or for phone, just select it the way you want, and then once you're done editing this, the effects will be found in the button and the button will be active. So that's just basically how you can add a button to your um to your Webflow site. I hope the tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching.